Eureka Robotics, a tech startup from Nanyang Technological University, is set to unveil Archimedes. That's a robot that's supposed to be as dexterous as a human hand. Archimedes can even pick up optical lenses and mirrors and be used in the manufacturing of items like cameras and eyewear.
And joining us with more on this tonight is Associate Professor Pham Quang Cuong. He's the founder of Eureka Robotics and lead inventor of Archimedes. Thanks so much for coming in. Now, firstly, tell us more about why you decided to design Archimedes and how he is, in fact, better than a human hand. And what can he do?
Thank you very much for having me here. Actually, it's an order from a company, a manufacturing company, a U.S. company with a factory in Singapore. So they have been looking for an automation solution for handling lenses for many years. And when we approached them with this solution, they decided to give it a try.
Okay, so they're the ones that sort of preempted this and put money into your research,
exactly.
I suppose. Okay.
Exactly.
So this is the optical manufacturing industry, but are there other sectors that perhaps Archimedes can actually potentially be used in?
Yes, definitely. This, not exactly the same robot, but the technologies which is behind it can be used in any precision manufacturing industry, such as automotive, aerospace, or pharmaceutical manufacturing.
Now we're seeing Archimedes in action there on the screen for our viewers at home to watch. So talk us through what he's doing there and sort of how delicate this process is.
So actually, here Archimedes is using computer vision to locate the lenses. Then it plans its motion automatically to bring the lens from one tray to the other. And finally, the insertion is very delicate, like a human hand. So you can see it here. It senses the contact between the lens and the environment as humans do, okay, and then change its motion accordingly.
Professor Pham, give us a sense of how long it takes to be able to get a robot like Archimedes to this level.
Right. So actually, the research that's behind it, we have been carrying this research as a university team for the last 6 years. Then we founded the company last year with this first order, and it took us 1 year to bring the research to an industrial level, which is now Archimedes.
So are you close to finalizing Archimedes then? Is he ready to go for his intended purpose for the company that purchased him?
Yes, that's right. We are scheduled to deliver this robot in the factory in the next 3 weeks. And once it reaches the factory, it's going to start working in production right away. Okay,
and I suppose the benefit is that Archimedes never gets tired and he's always precise and doesn't make mistakes. Is that the benefit of Archimedes?
That's right. Basically, it minimizes contamination, minimizes damages such as scratches. And by doing so, by doing everything automatically, it can free the worker to do more creative work instead of, mundane and repetitive work.
And I understand that there is some AI involved as well in Archimedes. How does that come into play?
So the AI is mostly involved in the computer vision part. So we are using machine learning to locate the different lenses, where they are. And then AI is also used to plan the motion automatically in a few milliseconds.
So in that regard, it can think for itself, I suppose.
In some sense.
In some sense.
So, looking at those videos and looking at video footage of Archimedes, its movements are so precise, and obviously there's so much research and development that has gone into this. But, tell us if there were any obstacles, perhaps, that you faced along the way in terms of this development.
Yes, definitely. So previously, we were doing the research, building the capabilities in the lab. But putting that into the industry is a whole different story. Previously, we do a demo and we take a video and then we move on. But here with Archimedes, we need to make it so robust that it can work 24 hours a day, 365 days a year for the next 10 years. So that's where there's a lot of difficulty to make it happen.
Well, with him sort of scheduled to start work in a couple of weeks' time, what's next then for Eureka Robotics?
We are planning to build Archimedes 2.0, which will have other even better capability of handling different sizes of lenses, different shapes. And also we are looking forward to building robots to serve other industries, as I mentioned, aviation, automotive, etc.
Okay, well, wish you all the best with your future endeavors and all the best with Archimedes as well. We've been speaking with Associate Professor Pham Quang Cuong, lead inventor of Archimedes and founder of Eureka Robotics.
Thank you.